Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the volume styles. Right now we have to get this application, so tap here to install the application and wait a few seconds. Now just open the app and here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just confirm, and here just tap on the switcher of our volume styles, tap here to allow, click yes I agree, and right now you can see all the available new panels. You can select one from this panel. For example, we'll try the Apple one, the iOS, and as can you see that's really close to the iPhone key volume panel. For example, we can choose the waves, and now we'll check that yes, that's really work. Also you can choose one from these and others volume panels like Xiaomi. And if you will just back your regular volume panel, just here tap to stop. And now we'll check, yeah, we got our default volume panels of our phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.